Hello, good morning, and welcome to Yoga with Glenn. I'm Glenn. Let's get you in the right mindset for your day with this morning meditation. Please find a comfortable seat, somewhere you can sit upright, and let's get started. To begin, let's find that seat, get somewhere comfortable, but somewhere you can sit upright. That way our lungs can work and we can breathe in and out fully. So make any adjustments you need to, take your time. But once you've found that seat, you may relax the eyes closed if you like. Let's begin to establish a breath for our practice today. So exhale, let everything go. Pull the belly button in, and then with an inhale from the belly button, expand the ribs, expand the chest, and then exhale in the reverse order, chest, ribs, and pull the belly button in towards the spine. Another inhale, belly, ribs, chest, and then exhale. Let everything go. Go ahead and let your breath run free. Since you're here, try to forget the past, forget the future, be here with your body right now. And a good way to do that is to just recognize the sensations of your body. Wherever you're sitting, feel the pressure of your hips down on whatever you're sitting on. If you're sitting cross-legged like I am, feel the sensation of the left ankle, the right ankle. If your hands are resting on your knees, feel the weight of your own hands, your arms, on your legs. Feel what effort you need to hold yourself upright. Feel the effort you need to hold your head upright. And anywhere you're able to release tension, release that tension, and tune in to your breath. Now begin to see yourself sitting in a garden, maybe a field, meadow off in the distance. Imagine the sensations of this place, the cool, fresh morning air, maybe the sound of birds, rustling of the leaves. And imagine feeling the sun just gently touching your skin, the face, the arms. As you sit in this place, this is a good opportunity to invite gratitude, maybe for a person, maybe an experience, or even simply just the opportunity to start a new day. Invite this gratitude into your life, and like a glowing light, feel this gratitude expand outwards. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day today. Before we close out this practice, bring a gentle smile to your face. Smiling can automatically put us in a better mood, make us feel better, invite some joy. Feel the positive energy of this smile radiating throughout your entire body. Take a moment to live with these thoughts, this joy, this gratefulness. Before we close this practice, just take a moment and reconnect with your breath. Gentle inhale, easy exhale. When you're ready, slowly relax your eyes open. Remember the gratitude, remember the joy you might have felt in this practice. Carry it with you throughout your day. Now let's take one last breath together to close out. So with an inhale, circle the arms up. Connect the palms overhead and bring the hands down to the third eye. May we think the right thoughts, down to the mouth. May we speak the right words, and down to heart center. May our thoughts, our words, our intentions be true and kind. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.